Hi, I'm Dr. Mario Guthrie, general practitioner here at Eastwood Avenue Medical. Today I have 5 fitness tips for 2024. First, start. Just start. Starting a routine can be very daunting, it can be very scary, and many times people are just afraid to begin. Some people don't like the gym, some people are afraid of equipment, afraid of trainers, but just start. It's good for you to do maybe about 3 days a week minimum, half an hour at least, and work your way up to even as much as 6 times per week. But just ensure that you start. In terms of frequency of exercise, be consistent. 3 to 5 to 6 days a week is great, minimum of 30 minutes a day, and that will give you good cardiovascular and strength training benefit if you lift weights, which I recommend that you do consistently as well. And if you can add something else into it that incorporates stretching, like yoga or Pilates or something else into the routine, that would be great. So a consistent cardiovascular, weight training, and stretch routine. Have a consistent diet, and everything in moderation helps. So if you eat many different things, have small portions of each thing. But for bodybuilding, for weight training, and for fitness, a diet high in protein, complex carbohydrates is great. You want to keep your saturated fats and cholesterol low, and your simple sugars as well. So in an ideal world, high protein, fruits, roughage in the form of vegetables as well, and complex carbs, and keep your saturated fats, cholesterol, and simple sugars low. Try to keep that consistent, and along with working out, I'm sure that they will combine to really give you the results that you really want. Try something new. There's so many things now available in fitness. You can weight train, you can jog, you can cycle, you can do a dance class, you can do yoga, you can do Pilates. There's so many things that can be done. So if you're not someone who likes to go to a gym, doing the traditional 3-day-a-week weightlifting routine, try something new. There are tons of gyms around, and there are tons of things available here in Jamaica. So, and even on YouTube, you can find stuff online as well. Try something new, make it interesting for you. And lastly, rest is almost as important as everything else. So you can work out hard, but if you don't rest, it won't allow your body to recover. The muscles need time to recuperate, to build, to rebuild. So rest is as important as exercise. So ensure that you find time for rest. Ideally, you should be sleeping somewhere between 6 to 8 hours per night, which is very tricky for many people, but try to go to bed earlier if you have to, and just ensure that you rest as much as you exercise.